Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the platforms that we are going to use in order to apply the free methods of earning passive income from cryptocurrency, and we have seen that these platforms are Bitfenix, Binance, Economy, BitMax and Nexo. Okay, there are other platforms out there as well, but these are the ones that we are going to show you exactly how you can use them to actually apply these methods. And we are going to start with the first method, and we are going to show you on each of the platforms where you can apply these methods, how it works. Okay, and the first method that we have discussed about and that we want to show you is bitfenix.com. Okay, after you do the account creation, the verification, what you need to do in order to start up using the staking type of service, you need to deposit some money into your Bitfenix wallet. Okay, basically Bitfenix is a platform where you can actually deposit money like Euro, USD, okay, or pounds, in order to buy cryptocurrency. Okay, it works also like an exchange if you want to, or it trades also between let's say Bitcoin and US dollars. So you can buy cryptocurrency and you can exchange them between them on this platform. So you don't need to buy the crypto from somewhere else and then exchange it into crypto and move it on Bitfenix. You can actually do that directly here on the platform. So after you log in, you are going to see that in the top part of the screen, in the menu, okay, you are going to have an icon which says wallet, an option in the menu. You are going to go on the deposit function, and in the deposit function you can select, as you can see, payment cards. Okay, so basically you can fund your wallet from Bitfenix with your card. Okay, you can pay with your card, and you just have to go to payment cards. You select one of the services. Basically they allow you to buy directly from Euro or USD, okay, or other let's say currencies, Bitcoin, USDT, which is Tether USD, Ethereum, Tron. We recommend you to buy Tether USD because from Tether USD basically you can buy all the other major coins. Okay, and you have to check which of the payment processors you are going to go with, because they are going to take you a small fee. Okay, it's either 1, 2, 3%, it depends. Okay, so that's how you fund your wallet. Now after you have some money in your wallet, what you can do is go in the more section and into staking rewards and check out what staking offers they have at the moment. Okay, we have basically opened a new window. We are not going to go into a lot of details about what staking means. Staking means basically putting those cryptocurrencies that you have, for example the Ethereum or others, okay, to work with more cryptocurrencies, and it will generate like a reward. Okay, so basically they will be your coins will be part from like bigger projects, okay, or bigger work, and they will generate a reward because the platform is using them for that. Okay, and if you are going to scroll down, you can see that you can deposit for staking, and you can calculate your potential rewards, okay, for different types of cryptocurrencies. And for example, let's say we want for Polkadot, which is a very popular cryptocurrency at the moment, and it will show you that basically the equivalent in dollars of a Polkadot is $44.66. So the yearly rewards for one Polkadot in staking is 2.43 USD dollars, which means that it's around, if I'm not mistaken, 7% per year. Okay, so it's not a lot, but obviously it's earning, it's passive income. And if we are going to scroll down, you can see basically all the earnings for the major the major cryptocurrencies. Okay, and for Ethereum, it's one of the best, estimated annual staking rewards up to 10%. Okay, for Polkadot, exactly as we estimated, around 7%. So 10% is not bad at all. Okay, basically this is passive income. You just think about it. If you put your own money or cryptocurrency in the bank, you have maximum per year, maximum, and that's if they have different special offers, maybe 2%, 1.5, 2%. Okay, that's a maximum. And if you take in consideration the inflation as well, I know a lot of people are talking about that, but it's something real. Okay, you might not actually earn anything, you might actually maybe even lose, okay, or something like that. So staking, it's, let's say, much more lucrative as a passive income than returns or dividends from the bank or other type of institutions. Okay, obviously it's a little bit more risky, but with the major platforms it's very similar to banks and other institutions as well. Okay, so this is how you earn from staking, and obviously do your own research before actually going into this. We want to just to show you how this works. Okay, now another platform where you can do staking is Binance, and in Binance is very similar to Bitfenix in terms of how it works. You will see that you have a wallet as well. You just click on the overview button of the wallet. Okay, you just click on deposit and you can buy crypto with your credit card. It's as simple as on Bitfenix. Okay, you buy crypto with your credit card, and then if you are going to go to finance, in the menu you will see Binance Earn. You just click on Binance Earn. You are going to see that you have some type of earnings here. Okay, and if you are going to scroll down to fixed terms, you are going to see staking. Okay, and if we click on staking, we can see what we have for staking. Okay, view more, and here we can see all the offers that we have for staking. It's with a fixed term. I mean, you put your coin, okay, your coins, for example, near, you put your coins in there and you lock them for 40 days, and the estimated annual earning interest is 10.79. Obviously you will get probably for 40 days around 1%, almost 1%. Okay, so if you are going to have 100 near, you are going to have 101. Also some platforms have compound interest rate, which means you can reach higher returns. It means that they add the earning every day and then they calculate to the whole earning. Okay, and if you scroll down, you can see all the staking offers that they have. Okay, so it's easy. As you can see, it's not complicated at all. Now another great platform that you can use, and we are going to finish with the staking, it's BitMax. And if you are going to go on BitMax, again similar, you can go to your asset, you just click on deposit, and you see what you can deposit here. Okay, basically to deposit on BitMax, you first have to buy from somewhere else. Okay, you cannot just pay with your payment card or something like that. Okay, you have to buy the crypto from somewhere else, or just go to the fiat payment. I mean, you don't have it directly in your wallet, you just go to the fiat payment and you have bank card payment, and you can use two providers, and basically from here you can make the switches. It will take you a 2% fee rate, and you just buy the coins that you want. And after that, because that's what we want to show you, is the staking. BitMax offers a very good staking program. They have plenty of opportunities here. As you can see, Polkadot is better. And if you scroll down, you can see other projects as well. Okay, you can see they have many projects, and for some of them it's very good staking rewards. Very good. Okay, so just check it out. BitMax, it's one of the best for staking rewards. So that's about all with staking. Thank you very much for watching this lecture, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture, where we are going to discuss about the lending function. Thank you again.